Hi ladies, and welcome back. In today's video I'm just going to show you how I apply my wigs for daily wear. I just want to add a few extra things. If you do sweat a lot, you can use a couple squirts of the Got2b freeze spray. This does last forever. I've had this container since 2016 and it's over 2/3 full still. So what you would do is after you clean your scalp with alcohol and it dries, it just takes a few seconds, add you a little layer of this, let it get tacky by fanning it, and then add your Got2b gelled. It's going to give you that extra layer of protection. And if you're super oily or you're going to be extremely sweaty, you can do a layer of this, a layer of this, and then one more layer of this, and that baby's not going anywhere. And then to remove, it's very simple. I like to use a microfiber cloth to remove it off my wigs, and I take a Q-tip. I wet it down with alcohol or water, depends on what I have. You lift up the lace and you just slowly go around it and it'll start lifting right away, and then you just pull it off and you go on about your way. To get any residue left off of the lace, just take your microfiber cloth like the ones you use for your makeup. It needs to be wet and you rub it on the lace, and you can also use alcohol and a Q-tip. It works just the same and it'll take any little bit of residue off. I always like to wipe it right away just in case. It does not mess up the lace any. This will not stretch your lace or anything like that as long as you remove it properly. It's not going to rip it. Just make sure you're getting it wet. This is water soluble. Both of these are. So water, alcohol, or anything like that is going to remove it very, very easily. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you for watching and see you next time. I'm not done. I wanted to add, for one, I don't know why my background looks so crooked. My husband usually fixes my camera and he's not here, and evidently I don't see straight. I tried forever. But if you are also like me and you hate wig grips altogether, you can take your Got2b spray if you have combs like on your pony wig or even a topper, and you can spray it where the comb, where the clip's gonna sit, and it's gonna give you that extra grit and texture, and it actually is kind of glue it there for the day. It's not gonna pull your hair when you pull it out. Just make sure if you stick a comb through it that you pull it back out, the same way. So this stuff does come in handy for a lot of things. I will also take it and spray it around the perimeter of my nape for my pony wig, and it helps it stay there all day. I've tried several different things, and this does work best for me. And if you have a wig that is a non-lace top and it has like the silk bottom, underneath, kind of like the Jewish style caps, you can glue those onto your hair. It was an accident for me. What I had did is I had taken my freeze spray and I had sprayed my bio hair all down, because it's at that grow out part to where it wants to stand up or be weird and hurt my scalp. So I sprayed it down really, really well. And then I put my wig on and it glued it there for like the whole day. So it does work on that too. You'd be surprised with a little bit of experimenting how much you can do with just those. I've tried tapes, like I've said in the past, they don't work on me, or I don't know how to use them. But I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Okay, first you're gonna take your Q-tip, put it in some alcohol to clean the makeup, and I have a lot of makeup on, so it's probably gonna be dirty. Lay down, Quincy. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror, so I can't see from the phone. So this is just how I do it. A lot of people pull it back. I just pull it back like this, lift it, clean all around that area. I try not to put my makeup up this far, but sometimes I do mess up and put some right there, especially if I know I'm gonna glue my wig. Again, I'm just gonna do this perimeter. Now I'm gonna use my Got2b glued. I like the black because it's clear, but I heard the white dries just as clear. I haven't tried it. Now, if you do a mix of the freeze spray and this, that wig ain't going nowhere. And if you sweat a lot, I tried it recently and that works really well. Okay, now you're gonna take your Got2b, make sure there's no hairs in the way, and I roll it on that area. Make sure you're using the clean side of your Q-tip. You don't want the alcohol to mix in. I'm gonna get a little bit more. I still had a little bit of makeup on my, I guess I put a lot of makeup on. I only did some powder makeup, but it still got up there. Okay. So now pull it down. I forgot my comb. I'm going to use the end of my scissors. It has a comb. So you just push it down into the lace. You can push with your finger, but you really don't want it to pucker. So just like kind of like pull it out. Make sure it's fixed. Take your scarf or whatever you're going to use. Press it down. Press. And tie it up. Let this sit for just a few minutes. It's fine. It doesn't take but a minute or two. I'll be right back. Alrighty, let's see if it's dry. It's been like 2 minutes. I'm impatient. Use my mirror because again, I can't see up close. Oh, she's dry. What I like to do is take a spoolie because I'm messy and I didn't pull the hair back. And you can just pull any hairs that may have got up in there out. And another thing about the spoolie that's nice, and if you pull the hair back, you can take this spoolie and you just run it across the hairline and it'll grab all those baby's hairs out for you, and it'll make it to where it looks so natural. It's bright, it's light is bright, so let me show you up close. See, you could just do that. And this is with the got to be. So if you have it on, then you don't have to worry about it falling off or anything. It literally takes about 3 or 4 minutes. It'll last all day. And again, want to wear it up, again, you can, because now with that spray, she's up. I do like to do like a bump or a half up style, so that's what makes the got to be so perfect. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.